Welcome to Goddard Adventure and more Overland South footage. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at a fun comparison between two very different vehicles. On one hand, we have a lifted Jeep Grand Wagoneer, a super iconic off-road vehicle with solid axles, leaf springs, and open differentials, and our lifted 2024 Honda Passport with independent suspension and an IVTM4 all-wheel drive system, which features an electromagnetic rear clutch and an open front differential. Place your bets to see who does better on the Overland South obstacle course. I hope you enjoy. Line choice and momentum all play a really big part in how well you do on an off-road track. This obstacle course was designed to cross your axles and make it difficult to proceed. As you can see, the Wagoneer got its axles crossed and will have to pick a different line to make it through the course.
Probably if you do hang passenger all the way and you just kind of skirt, it probably will make it. Yeah, right there. You should be at a good, yeah.
This may surprise you, but our Passport is not designed to be a rock crawler, and it never will. I bought our Passport to haul my family of 5 in comfort all around the United States, and so far it's been doing it awesomely. It has active all-wheel drive that works both on and off the road. It's able to do more than you would expect. In this video, you can see the all-wheel drive system appropriately applying power to the rear wheels, allowing us to move through the portions of the course that cross your axles. You can see that with our HRG lift kit and 265, 70, 18 tires, we're able to have enough clearance to make it through the course without damage.
Maybe. Mud mode, mud mode. Wow.
I hope you guys enjoyed the comparison between these two platforms. Clearly it was not apples to apples, with several different variables making it not quite fair. And it's important to note that the Wagoneer is capable of becoming a much more capable off-road machine than my Passport. Hope you guys hang around and subscribe to see the next videos. We got another awesome set of adventures coming out of Overland South soon.
Hey, this is my daily driver. We don't want to break it. Oh my gosh, she just fell down. Oh no. Oh no.
I get better if it's left on brake.
we go. Oh my God, I'm gonna get mudded. No.
Nice. Attaboy. Attaboy.
Yeah.
Mom, look, they're crossing with the thing. Mom, look. I want to try.
Oh wow, they've got a little ferry thing across the river.
I'm trying, Mom.
That's neat.
Dad! Dad!